Follow me. Fucking up. No, 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 no. No, you don't even know where I'm going.
That was the leader.
No.
Big gun, I get it.
I just punched you.
Hey, Saul, stop it!
Alright.
Stop
Okay, you guys.
it.
This is...
No,
No.
don't get me!
So that's how you want to play, eh? That's how you want to play. So that's how you want to play, Alan. That's how you want to play. Ow, why did no? Don't. Okay, I'm sorry. I regret it.
I got the deadly weapon.
You guys, we have to decide something right. No. I brought you guys here. I think I should get a chance to talk. You leave it that plane, I'll blow it up. Like, for real. You leave it that plane, I'll blow it up. Neta. Oh, it's spinning. It was like spinning. Alright. This is what I brought you guys here. I wanted to talk to you guys.
Now,
We're gonna go steal a jet. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Anybody disagree? Kill Aaron. Kill him right now. Kill him. Just kill him. That's good.
Oh, he's really chasing him.
No. That's why I need you guys. If we manage to steal one, we're good. We just need one. There's 3 of us. I don't think we can fail. Okay, everybody get in a circle again. What the fuck? Can? He said we
Get
can.
in the weed.
Yes, we can. Right. Put the white
Okay,
point.
everybody got their jetpack. Jetpack.
Everybody put insurance to the truck, right? Everybody just put insurance to the truck.
Yeah, everybody got the parachute. We're ready to kick off.
Okay,
Everybody
put the
got
white
the
point.
parachute.
Put the white point.
Everybody got the parachute. Dude, what?
There it is. Okay, let's get some altitude.
Okay, so everybody, for emergency, everybody got the parachute. Everybody got the parachute. Okay, because if that's emergency, then we see a bazooka going through
This
us.
is gonna
we
go
jump back.
First it's gonna be Aaron, then it's gonna be Eric, then it's gonna be me.
What happens if we die? Okay, Mr. Sullivan.
You died.
Oh, after you feel
Okay.
mad or sad, hit us.
Aaron, go, Aaron, go.
Go.
Go. He's out, nigga. Just kidding, I'm not like that.
Woo!
I will say
Okay, Mr. Sullivan. I'm good.
Right. Everybody land there nice and safely. No, we don't want no idiots. Oh, fuck, I'm about to die. Alright, anybody see a jet?
Nobody should know that.
Really? Okay, I'll just steal a Tyson then, I guess. Holy fuck, never mind. What?
Don't get close to things. Get close to things. Don't go too close to... Oh, shit! My God! I'm with you!
Oh my God!
What's happening?
Oh my God!
Oh, good thing!
Espérese.
Oh, there's one thing falling on me!
Anytime. Oh my God, there's like tanks going your way. Hurry up.
There's things coming for me! Oh my God!
Espérese, papá.
No me puedo esperar.
Espérese. ¿Por qué se pinta? No contestó nada. Me da ganas de bañarlo con pura agua oxigenada.
Ah, dude! Oh God! I'm dead!
Ya te digo, cuando me muera ya así me muero, tú no miras los Sánchez.
My God!
Hey, I did it. Unharmed, ni le dispararon one time ni nada.